Yo, what did Fat Joe say? He said, yesterday's price is not today's price. So we're gonna talk about how you can get paid more money for your gigs DJing. So the first way that you can get more money and make more money DJing is creating packages. Now, if you are marketing yourself and you have 1 hour rate, 2 hour rate, that's great. But creating packages where you bundle more than just your service into a package offering hours, as well as extra things like lighting or photo booths or low fog machines, anything you can add, microphones, MCs, dancers, all these things are really cool. Uplights, dance lights. Think about what you can create to make a package. And you wanna have at least 3 packages. You have a beginner level, a mid-level, and an advanced level. So like basic, average, and extravagant. Think about 3 basic packages you can create in order to sell yourself and kind of bundle yourself up to be more of a package deal. So when people look at your packages, they see exactly what they're getting. So if you say your lowest package is $700, $800, you're a beginner DJ, that's awesome. You know, you're bringing equipment, you have speakers, you have a turntable, laptop, microphone. Figure out exactly what you have to offer and make a package with it. That's a great way for you to really increase your value. You know, yesterday's price is not today's price. So figure out how you can raise your prices, but also raise your value. You wanna make sure if you are gonna go up in prices, that you're adding enough value, whether it is like your music collection or your mixes. Are you worth those packages? Are you worth those prices? So I'm not gonna tell you to just go up on your prices just because you're a DJ and you're an average DJ. Make sure that you're charging your worth and add a little tax to it, you know? Yesterday's price is not today's price. So the second way you can make more money from your gigs is by adding equipment every single year. Upgrade your equipment and make sure your equipment is up to date, whether it's speakers or you have a new DJ facade. Make sure that your entire setup looks very clean, professional, and that it's something that's worth the money that you're charging. So you can add value to yourself and increase the amount that you're charging for your events. If you're updating your equipment every year, you can raise your prices every year. If you'd like to, you can raise the prices on your packages because yesterday's price is not today's price. The third way you can make more money from your gigs is by carrying liability insurance. Now, a lot of DJs don't carry liability insurance. I know when I first started DJing, I really didn't invest in liability insurance because I really didn't have the money, honestly. Like, DJing is expensive. Equipment is not cheap. You know, like investing in yourself, you don't really know how to invest in yourself if you don't have the money to do it, right? But once you have the money to really invest in yourself, invest in liability insurance. It's really, really important if you want to get the big gigs. A lot of the venues for weddings, corporate events, events that are gonna really get you the bigger bucks and help you make more money are gonna require you to have liability insurance, usually at least 1 million to 2 million or more in coverage to make sure that you're liable if somebody gets hurt, if somebody trips over any of your equipment or wires or a speaker falls. So you wanna make sure that you have liability insurance to protect yourself and also to get the big bucks. If you want the real money, you wanna make sure you have liability insurance. So those are gonna be the 3 ways that you can guarantee that you can make more money on your gigs. If you found this information to be valuable, I suggest that you go to www.sixfiguredjs.com and sign up for our VIP Mastermind program. You can check out more information that can help you make money as a DJ and turn your hobby into a career. I'm DJ Too Much with Six Figure DJs. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lowisTooMuch or follow us on Instagram at Six Figure DJs. Reach out to me at lowisTooMuch and I promise I'll try to get back to you with any DMs, any way I can help you. My goal is to really help you grow as a DJ and not just learn how to DJ, but take your hobby into a career because yesterday's price is not today's price. All right, that's enough. I'm DJ Too Much. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment, share. do all those things, and hopefully I check you on the next one.